question number 2 asks us to solve the equation. Write your answer or your solution in the solution set brackets. It's an absolute value, and the absolute value is already isolated by itself, which is important. And now, since we're solving equations or even any kind of equation, this time it's an absolute value, we want to use our GEMDAS, but this time we want to go in reverse order. Well, because our absolute value is already isolated, we're going to set up our 2 cases. So we're going to do case 1 and case 2. This is how we deal with all absolute value problems that are solvable. In case 1, what we make sure is that the number that's inside of here is a positive, so that means x plus 8 could equal a positive 12. The other case is the information that's in here, the value that's in here, the x plus 8, could be a negative value. So that means our x plus 8 could actually equal negative 12, because once we apply the absolute value, it'll come back as a positive 12. So in case 1, we're going to subtract 8 from both sides, and that's going to give us a 4. In the other case, we're going to subtract 8 from both sides, and that means we're going to have a negative 20. Both of these are solutions to our problem, so we put them in a solution set, negative 20, comma 4. Those are 2 solutions. It would be wise to double check your answer, so I could double check this very quickly. You take a negative 20 plus 8, negative 20 plus 8, take the absolute value. That's a negative 12. The absolute value is 12, so that checks. The other one I can do is take the absolute value of 4 plus 8. I'm substituting our 4 this time and making sure that's equal to 12, and that's the absolute value of 12, which is 12, and that checks. Okay, so solving absolute values, make sure you break it into 2 separate cases.